I gave Hermes one job: build a photorealistic apple in Blender, entirely on its own. And I didn't pay a cent of my own money to do it. If you watched my last video, you already know where this credit came from. I showed you how to get free Kimi K3 access through ZenMux's referral program. Drop the link in that video's description, and the reward for that referral landed me $5 in real credit. This video is what I actually did with it. First, into ZenMux, and straight to Hermes. I entered the endpoint and my key, and instead of picking a model by name, I used the auto-detect option. That pulled in a live list of everything ZenMux offers, something like 150 models. I scrolled down and picked Kimi K3, sitting at number 5 on that list. Left the context length blank, no need to force a limit there. Said hello, just to confirm the connection worked. Then gave it the real task. Use Blender to create a photorealistic 3D apple. The mesh, a red material with subtle glossiness, basic lighting, and a simple background. Once it was actually running, Hermes wrote the Blender script itself, the mesh, the material, the lighting, and rendered it out. Then I had it do something most AI builds a thing videos skip: grade its own work. Using a vision model, it rated how photorealistic its own render actually looked, and told itself what was breaking the illusion. Based on that, it went back in for another round. And here's the number that matters most. The whole thing, start to finish, cost me $1.74. Out of $5 in free referral credit, I didn't even use half of it to get a real, working 3D render. If you want that referral link to get your own free Kimi K3 credit, it's in the description. Same one from my last video. And if you want the full Hermes and OpenRouter setup this is all built on, that's linked above too. Subscribe if you're into seeing exactly what free AI credit can actually build. That's the whole channel.